Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Riceball Clay Handcraft. What are we gonna do today? Today I will show you guys how to use the super light clay to make bookmarks. Why you need a DIY bookmark? Because when you are reading, a very personalized bookmark can give you a very good mood when you are reading. Also, you have different moods. You can use different bookmarks. When the festivals is coming, you also can use different bookmarks. For example, when the Halloween is coming, maybe you can have a bookmark with a ghost on it. See, it's very interesting. Now let's do it. Today I will use 7 different colors to make the rainbow bookmark. You need to put 7 different colors like this kind of vertical bars shape and then put it together. See, you put 7 different colors like this. And you need to cut them in the same level. Now we get the rainbow rectangle like this, and you can put a cloud on it. Make a cloud is very easy. You just use different balls and press them together. You will get the cloud shape. See? For example, you put 5 different balls together like this, and you press them together. You will get a cloud color like this. When you get the shape you want, you just put them on top of it. Like this. You can give the cloud the eyes and the mouth, make it cuter. See? Now you will get a bookmark like this. See? It's really cute, right? When I put the rainbow bookmark in the book, it's like this. See? You smile, have a very good mood, right? So before I made a bookmark like this, I put an animal on top of it. Also really cute, right? And we also put it in the book. See, they are like this. Really cute, right? And very personalized. Just in case you have very mini size book, I also make a bookmark like this size. Very mini size. 3, see? This is these 3 bookmarks. And this is today's video. Hope you like it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Bye.